objective against a straight chain structure of glucose. Glucose contains CHO group even then it does not react with the NaHSO3 or skips reagent. Glucose exists in two stereoisomeric form alpha D glucose, beta D glucose. Melting point of beta D glucose is 419 Kelvin and that of alpha D glucose is obtained by the crystallizations of concentrated solutions of glucose at 303 Kelvin, whereas the beta form is obtained at the 371 Kelvin. The specific rotations of alpha and beta form of glucose is positive 111 degree and 19.2 degree respectively. Glucose react with hydroxylamine, whereas pentaacetate of glucose does not react with hydroxylamine. This shows that CHO group is absent in glucose pentaacetate. Glucose shows mutarotations. Glucose does not form 2,4-DNP derivative. Glucose forms 2-methyl glucosides, alpha D methyl glucosides and alpha D methyl glucosides. Cyclic structure of glucose. The above objections have been explained by ring cyclic structure of glucose. The cyclic structure is formed by the reactions of carbonyl group, aldehydic group with OH group. Glucose contains a CHO group and 5 OH groups. The CHO and OH group combines to form hemiacetal. This gives a cyclic structure. In the cyclic structure of glucose, OH group at C5 and CHO group at C1 combine to give a six-membered ring. In six-membered ring, there are 5 C atoms and 1 O atom. It is called pyranose structure. Fischer projections formula. Due to ring formations, the C1 atom in cyclic structure becomes asymmetric, that means chiral. If one C1 atoms, the OH group is in right side. OH group in right side. It is called alpha D glucose. If OH group on C1 atoms is left side, OH C1H left side, it is called a beta D glucose. The two cyclic hemiacetal forms of glucose differ only in the configurations of OH. The C1 carbon is called anomeric carbon. Fixture projections of formulae. The alpha and beta form are called anomers. The six-membered cyclic structure of glucose is called the pyranose structure. It is in analogy with organic compound pyran with has 5C and one O atom in the ring. OHH, 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 HOH, OHH, H, CH2OH, अल्फा डी ग्लूकोज और अल्फा डी ग्लूकोपायरेनोज ग्लूकोपायरेनोज C double bond OH COHH OHH OHH HOH lone pair double lone pair CH2OH D plus glucose open chain form COH H COH H CHOH COH H CH CH2OH CH2OH थर्ड बीटा डी ग्लूकोज और बीटा डी ग्लूकोपायरेनोज बीटा डी ग्लूकोज और बीटा डी ग्लूकोपायरेनोज. The cyclic structure are also represented in another way. In this formulae, a hexagon is drawn. Groups or atoms which are present on the left side of C1, C2, C3, C4, etc. in the structure second and third are shown above the plane in hexagonal structure. The CH2OH group placed above the plane. These are called Howard's projections formulae. Howard projections formulae. The lower thickened edge of the ring in this structure is nearest to observer. HOH HOH OHH HOH CH2OH alpha D plus glycoparenose OHH HOH OHH HOH CH2OH beta D plus glycoparenose pyran Haworth structure. Positions of OH group on Cl atom makes a large difference on the property and functions of this compound. A starch is a polymer of alpha D glucose. It is readily digested by the human body. Cellulose is a polymer of beta D glucose. It is not digested by human. Animals can digest cellulose in the aqueous solutions. One form changes into another. Disaccharides are the sugars. They give two molecules of monosaccharides on the hydrolysis: sucrose, maltose, lactose. The disaccharides are made up of two molecules of monosaccharides by a special linkage. The linkage is formed just as a hemiacetal with the alcohol to form acetal with the eliminations of water. Such a linkage is called glycosidic linkage.